back again with yet another video, and today I'm gonna bring you this little unboxing from Louis Vuitton of an item that I have got a few weeks ago. It's actually a bit more, I think it's a few months now ago, which I didn't unbox yet, thus I'm gonna do it today. Comes in your Louis Vuitton box with the ribbon and everything. Let me just bear with me as I get the ribbon off. There. Here's the box. Here's the little duster. And inside I open to reveal the Louis Vuitton car key pouch in monogram eclipse, as you can see. So this is called the car key pouch. Let me open it up so you can see what it looks like inside. Here is the original code and everything if you're interested for the item there. I'm gonna hold it up like this, and that's all I have. The other piece inside is the cowhide leather trim piece. So what it is like a little wallet, which inside has a little piece of string that attaches and detaches from the inside of this pouch, and here you secure your car keys. So then if you would, for example, want to valet your car, you can unclip this piece inside and just give the key to the person, and then again clip it inside when you need it. Also, what you have inside, aside from this spot to put in the key, is a little compartment on the side here, which actually can store a credit card. So you can use this as a key pouch for your car or normal keys, and also as a mini wallet, I would say so. The hardware on this is like kind of shadow silver. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, this is a hardware that is known, that comes on this monogram eclipse print. The zipper is smooth as always. There is a little rivet on this side, says Louis Vuitton Paris. And inside, let me see when this piece was made. I didn't check it yet. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if you will be able to see it if I put it like this. So it's a decent size. Let me compare it to a standard cles. As you can see, is a same size, a bit thicker than your standard cles. I have a cles here in the Damier Ebene for the comparison of the two. So this is quite a universal item. It's, Louis Vuitton advertises this as a car key pouch, but I think you can use this for normal keys also if you wish so, and also use it as a mini wallet, as I said, because you do have one little card slot compartment on one side. I have the little textile card hidden behind there. I'm gonna put it here so it's gonna look out. It's gonna look out a little bit so you're able to see the credit card slot a bit better. There you go. And inside, as you can see, this is attached with a little snap button here. Once you attach the keys, you can then unsnap it or snap it in, depending on if you want to take the keys out or keep the keys inside of the pouch. This item was quite hard to get. I had to ask my SA to order it, and I was waiting for it quite a long time. But at that time I didn't even have the car, so it was okay. And now when I got it, I was using my other cles, and I remembered of it today, and I said I'll make a video about it, and thus start using it also. There we go. Again, a close up with the cles in Damier Ebene. As you can see, the size wise is very similar. The car key clay is a bit wider though. I think it's to accommodate some of these newer keys which are quite bulky. There. Nevertheless, I think it's a very nice piece, especially like the silver button here with the Louis Vuitton Paris engraved. Looks very nice. And it's like dark kind of metal, dark, you know, kind of gray metal kind of silver. It's not really silver per se. Same is with the pull tab. The pull tab is very chunky one, very nice one. Has the LV sign on it. There. This is how this car key clay looks like. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, hit the like button if you liked the video. Nevertheless, my situation, I'm trying to bring you these videos, guys. I hope you appreciate it and you watching the videos. That's it. That's gonna be all for today. It's a shorter video. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in a new video. And for now, have a great day and best of wishes. Bye.